Oh, these might be the best ones yet. Oh, all right, there we go. All right, what up, y'all? So it's your boy CKid here, man, back with another video for you guys. And today, man, I got a dope video for you, man. I have every single, let me get them. I got every single color of the Galaxy Buds 2 here. Now I'm gonna be basically showing you guys exactly what each one of these look like, so that way y'all can make the best purchasing decision for your wallet. Now I do gotta mention they also have a Tom Brown edition, which is like this silver and like red, and it's red and white. It's a whole different colorway, but to be honest with you, I'm not a real big fan of the Tom Brown edition. Honestly wish they would go with like another one, like the Stephen Harrington edition that like OnePlus did with their Buds. But anyway, whole nother video for that. But nonetheless, y'all, let's go ahead and get these bad boys unboxed, so that way I can show you what they look like. And then also, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick listening test on one of these, and then at the end of this video, let y'all know which one of these colorways I'm personally going to be keeping for myself. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get to it. Let's go. First one that we got here, y'all, I have the green one. So these are the, let me get the right color, so I ain't just kind of just saying colors all willy-nilly here. I don't see the color on the box, but it's the green one. So let's go ahead and just open this bad boy up real quick. One thing that I already got to tell you guys, man, that I do not like about these Buds, I do not like the case color. I wish they would have went with a different color case that actually matched the Buds themselves. But nonetheless, we have this all white case that y'all can see right here. Now I'm not gonna lie, it looks good, but I'm curious what this actually gonna look like over time. But if we go ahead and open it up, let's go ahead and do that real quick. Now you get kind of like this olive green color that you guys can see right here. Now I'm not gonna lie, it looks good. I am interested to see what it looks like next to the Galaxy Z Fold 3 that I got right here, but that's gonna be a whole nother video. Trust me, that video gonna be fire. So let me go ahead and take these bad boys out of the case and just show you what they look like up close and personal. You guys can see them right here. So they kind of remind me of like a mixture between the Galaxy Buds Lives, which were the beans, and then the Galaxy Buds Pro. So it's almost like the Lives and the Pro had a baby, and then they spit this one out. That's the vibes I get for this one. Now, as always, we got the sound by AKG that's gonna be on the inside. We have a light indicator that's gonna be right here. That's gonna give you the battery status of the actual Buds themselves. And then on the outside, you also get a battery status. And then on the back, you also get a USB-C connected to be able to charge them up. So let's see what else we get in the box here. Now this is probably just going to be the ear tips and then the actual cable themselves. Now another thing that I just noticed right here, y'all, I noticed that they went with a white cable. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I wish they went with the same color that the Buds are. So Samsung, if you're watching this video right now, I'm gonna tell y'all what I would have liked. I would have liked, number one, for the case to actually be the same color of the Buds themselves. Now it would have been dope if they actually did like a matte finish, like they did the matte finish up here on the inside of the case, and just match that to the outside instead of giving us a glossy case. That would have been fire. And then also with the cable, I wish the cable would have been the exact same color of the matte finish that's in here. But nonetheless, we got a white USB-C cable. Now we do have ear tips that match the actual Buds themselves. Now before I actually open up the other ones, one last look of what the Buds in the olive green looks like. All right, y'all, so the next one I'm opening up right now, y'all, is the like purple color. Now this is the one that's kind of, I guess, in collaboration with like the BTS group. So let me go ahead and show you what that looked like. Everything else in regards to the cable in itself is all going to be the same. So if we go ahead and open this up, this is what the purple color is going to look like. You guys can see it right here. The purple actually looks pretty fire. Ain't even gonna lie. Right now, it's definitely a close between the olive green and this purple, because the purple just like it pops more. For some reason, the purple with the white case doesn't look as bad as it does with the green to me. But yeah, man, this is the purple color that you guys get right here. Looks pretty fire. All right, so the next one that we got, now this is gonna be one that's gonna match 100% like it should, because they went with a white case. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the white Buds that we have right here. Now obviously this is gonna match 100%. This is outside of the case, and then open it up, we got the white glossy finish with that as well. Now, I think it would have actually been fire, and I kind of think they didn't do it. I think it would have been fire if they would have kind of made this more of like a light gray on the inside and kind of two-toned it a little bit with the white, so that way it's just not all white. But nonetheless, y'all, the white don't look bad. My only thing with the white is that I feel like it could possibly get dirty faster over time than any of the other buds when it comes to that. Again, this is one of the reasons why I did not want an all white case, is because I feel like the case is just gonna get dirty. Now I will say one advantage of having a white case versus having like a different color case is the fact that you probably won't see a whole lot of scratches when it comes to this white case, just simply because most of the time when you have white cases like this, surprisingly, they don't show as many scratches as you would think. But you will see more scratches on this, surprisingly, on darker color cases than you will with the lighter color case that you have right here. So maybe that's the reason why Samsung went with this white case, but nonetheless, this is what we have right here. All right, y'all, so the last one that we got here is the all black color. Now, this one here is a strong contender for me, because typically, y'all, when it comes to Galaxy Buds, I tend to kind of go with like the more colorful one, like you guys see here with the red with the Buds Plus, and then I also have the reds with the Buds Live as well. And then I think with my Galaxy Buds Plus, I have another color that is like that Carolina blue color. So I typically like to go with different color ones, but it seems like, man, this time I might go with this black, because this is kind of one of the ones that I've been eyeing when I first saw them. So again, you got the white case, and then the other cool feature that you kind of get with this is you can kind of see the color. I don't know if you can see it right there. You can kind of see what color it is before you guys even open it, because it has like this real thin line of what the color is right there on the Buds case in itself. So if I go ahead and open these bad boys up, wow, yeah, this black actually looks dope. Now it's actually more of kind of like a slate gray. Now it looks black on camera, but if you're looking at it in person, it gives more of like a gray vibe, like a really deep slate gray is what I get with these. And it doesn't look bad, man. I ain't even gonna lie. Like these actually look pretty good. Now, of course, we got to go ahead and do our shake test. Oh, shout out to Samsung with the shake test. All right, I see y'all trying to get the strong magnets in. Let's go. But nonetheless, man, this is the black color here. Again, you get all of the same features as before. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the white doesn't look bad with this black color or this slate gray as well, because like it adds like of a panda or a contrast look. Now, one of the things I want to do real quick here is I want to go ahead and rank each one of these colors and just let you guys know which one of my favorite colors out of all of these. Now, I'm starting with my most favorite to my least favorite. So my most favorite one, which is the one I'm probably gonna keep, is probably gonna be this black edition. Now, I just think if I'm gonna do a white case, if I'm forced to do a white case, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with this kind of white and black combo. I think it looks fire, nice little contrast with the white. So this is gonna be my number one choice, is the black for sure. My number two one that I'm gonna go with is gonna be the purple color. I think this BTS purple color is actually pretty fire. I think it looks good, and yeah, this is probably gonna be my number two choice that I would go with if I'm ranking them. Now my number three has to be this olive green color, is gonna be my number three, and then my number four, which is probably like my least favorite color, just because I feel like it's just bland, and I feel like it's gonna also get dirtier faster than any other color, and that is gonna be the all white. Now let me go ahead and try on these just to kind of do a fit test to see how they actually gonna fit in my ears. Okay. One of the issues that I had that I didn't like about the Galaxy Buds Pro was the fit, and these kind of have that same shape in a way. So I'm interested to see if these are gonna actually fall out of my ears over time as I'm wearing it and different things like that. Now I have another video that's gonna be coming up involving the Galaxy Buds 2 that I'm gonna be doing. It's gonna be a super fire video, man. I can't wait for y'all to see it. All right, y'all, so I'm having trouble trying to connect it to my iPhone. Let me grab my Galaxy device and let's see if that actually works better. All right, y'all, so I'm using a new Pixel 5a in order to test this out here real quick, because like I said, my Galaxy Z Fold 3, I'm waiting to open that for another video, so that's gonna be coming, y'all, I promise. Let's listen to some music here real quick, and we're gonna see what this actually sounds like. Now, a couple things I wanna let y'all know that I did first is I did switch the ear tips out to be the larger size, so that way it gives me more of a seal fit. I also went ahead and switched it to the active noise cancellation being turned on as well, so that way I can get more immersed inside of the music. And then I also set the EQ setting to dynamic mode, which is always the setting that I put mine on. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Hey, wow, the bass is crazy. Woo-hoo. Oh, these might be the best ones yet. Hold up. I gotta listen to my boy Chris Breezy. This is my test. If it passes the CB test, then it's a go. I haven't heard from you in a minute, babe. I don't know what to do and I'm with it, babe. Trips in the crib in the middle of the night. She don't need no hands or no pants, do your dance. Popping rubber bands. You know that like me can change your life, oh baby. Alright. So, couple things. Again, I'm gonna have to do more playing with these. My initial test is this. So, did it pass my Chris Brown test? Because Chris Brown's one of my favorite artists that I like listening to when it comes to music. First things first, I started off with the SZA song called Weekend. Now, it is more of like a slow R&B vibe. R&B is my favorite genre of music. If you don't know, now you know. The SZA song sounded absolute fire. I mean, from the bass levels to the clarity in the audio, like it sounded really freaking good. Like honestly, these sounded probably better than any of the other pairs that they've actually came out with. I'm just being straight up. Now, when it came to Chris Brown though, I'm gonna be honest. The Chris Brown song, again, I gotta do a little bit more testing, but I felt like in that song, if you get to more of like the really bass heavy songs, again, I had it on dynamic mode, which is the mode I typically use when it comes to EQ settings. The bass kind of overdrowned the mids a little bit. It was kind of taken out from the actual artist singing the actual song or performing the song, and the bass kind of overshadowed it a little bit. So for me, when it comes to that, again, I got to do more testing with it, switching to different EQ levels and all of that. But from my initial impression of it, I ain't even gonna lie, man, I'm kind of happy with these. The sound quality is actually pretty good. Now, one thing I will say, I still kind of struggle with the fit. Like the fit of these, I still notice myself adjusting them here and there every now and then. Now, again, I was kind of vibing to the music, so typically a person's probably not gonna go as crazy and do all of that, what I was doing just then. But I will say, man, I would like a better fit. And I think one of the things that they could have done that I asked for in the last one, when it comes to the Galaxy Buds Pro, is I wish they would have put some type of wingtips on here. Give us wingtips as an option for us to be able to put onto these. So then that way we can just use them if we want or not use them. Because one of the things I liked about the Galaxy Buds Plus, as well as the OG Galaxy Buds, is those had the wingtips. So when it came to those, I never really had to worry about those falling out of my ears when it came to listening to music. So again, just kind of my initial impressions of the Galaxy Buds Pro or the Galaxy Buds 2. Look, I'm mixing them up already. The Galaxy Buds 2, this is my initial impression of those. But again, I'm gonna do more testing with them. I actually got a flight that I'm gonna be getting on this weekend, and I'm gonna be doing more testing just to see how does it last on a plane ride. Can you actually use these in a plane and all of that? So we're gonna be testing all of that out with these. And other than that, man, appreciate y'all watching. See y'all in the next one. Squad, tap in, let's go.